Hey guys, it's Rebecca, and it's question time!
Hey Rebecca, how do you indicate plural words in Chinese? Is it just like adding an S at the end of a word, such as tables?
Cool question! Now, one of the things that sets Chinese apart from other languages is the way we indicate plurals. In Chinese, a noun looks exactly the same no matter if it's in the plural form or in the singular form. So when we want to express something is more than one, we would add additional information in front of the noun, such as adding the words 一些, some, or 很多, many. So I can say 一些书, some books, or 很多书, many books. We can also put the specific amount plus a measure word in the front. So if I want to say 3 cups of water, I can say 3杯水, 3, 3, which is the amount, 杯, cup, which is a measure word, and 水, water. Now you got it, and I'll see you on the next one. If you have any questions for me, leave them down below and I'll answer them in the upcoming videos. Bye for now!
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Also be sure to check out more Question Time videos.
ChinesePod.